Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Jamaican Brown Stew Chicken. Begin by cleaning 2 pounds of bone-in, skin-on chicken pieces thoroughly, then pat them dry. Create your vibrant marinade using 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 2 sprigs of fresh thyme, and 1/4 cup of chopped scallions. Mix this with 1 tablespoon of browning sauce and a pinch of black pepper, coating the chicken evenly. Marinate for a minimum of 2 hours, or ideally, overnight, ensuring maximum flavor absorption. Now, heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed pot over medium-high heat. Carefully brown the marinated chicken pieces in batches for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until they develop a beautiful, deep golden brown color. Remove the chicken and set it aside. In the same pot, sauté 1 chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 chopped bell pepper for about 5 minutes until softened, creating a flavorful base for your stew. Return the browned chicken to the pot with the sautéed vegetables. Pour in 2 cups of chicken stock and 1/2 cup of coconut milk, ensuring the chicken is mostly submerged. Add 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and a Scotch bonnet pepper whole if you enjoy a little heat. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for at least 45 minutes, or until the chicken is fork tender. Once the chicken is tender and the sauce has thickened slightly, carefully remove the whole Scotch bonnet pepper. Taste the stew and adjust any seasonings, adding a pinch more salt or pepper if needed. Stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh, chopped parsley for a burst of color and herbaceousness. Ladle generous portions of this rich, flavorful brown stewed chicken over fluffy white rice or traditional rice and peas for a truly authentic Jamaican experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.